And my name is Krista McGowan, and I'm really excited to be here. So I hope that today you all take at least one nugget away and you can apply it to your life. Today's class or workshop is called B.Y.O.B, and it's Build Your Own Brand. Okay, we're going to be talking about building your personal brand. A little bit about my background. I got my undergraduate degree in fashion merchandising and I have an MBA in supply chain management. Today's objectives, we're going to be talking, again, this is all about your brand. So I'm going to talk about how to amplify your appearance, perfect your pitch, and develop your digital footprint. And what is a brand? Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. The decisions that you make and how you build your brand can be monumental. A lot of times we say, you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but human nature is we do. So it's important to always present your best self, especially when it comes to first impressions, because it takes a while to build a good first impression, but you can mess it up in an instant. If you look good, you feel good. Does anyone agree with that? What is in your current closet, and does this represent my past, my present, or my future self? An elevator pitch, it should be a brief 30 to 60 second speech. It introduces who you are. He gave us his name. He communicated what he's done and what he does currently, what he's going to do. And it should always include a call to action. So you want to think about when you're giving your elevator pitch, you want the ball to be in your court. You want to be able to reach out to that individual, and you want to be able to be the one to control when you have that next conversation, right? So that's always the key piece of information that I tell individuals. Your LinkedIn absolutely needs to be on point. You should have a current headshot, a current professional headshot. You all have vision. The fact that you're here shows that you have vision, and don't take it for granted, and be demanding in what you want to go after. Don't put yourself in a box. Explore. This is a time to go after all the different experiences, because that's going to help cultivate your brand and who you are as an individual and how you're going to stand out.